Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TV in your Chrysler Pacifica. First, locate the power button on your remote or directly on the screen to activate the Uconnect theater system. Once powered on, you'll use the intuitive remote control to effortlessly navigate through the menus. You can then select your preferred entertainment source, whether it's a disc or an external device, ensuring a smooth start to your journey's entertainment. Your Pacifica offers a fantastic array of entertainment options. You can easily insert a Blu-ray or DVD into the built-in player for high-quality video playback. For even more versatility, connect a gaming console or another device using the convenient HDMI input. Additionally, the USB ports allow you to play your favorite movies or music directly from a flash drive, providing endless choices for everyone. The Uconnect theater system truly elevates your passenger experience. With two independent high-definition screens, each passenger can enjoy their own content simultaneously. The system also comes with several preloaded games and applications, perfect for keeping younger passengers engaged. For a more personal experience, up to 2 sets of wireless headphones can be connected, allowing for private audio enjoyment without disturbing others in the vehicle. To get the most out of your Pacifica's entertainment system, a few tips can be very helpful. Always refer to your owner's manual for comprehensive details specific to your model. Remember to utilize the parental control features to ensure age-appropriate content for all passengers. Keeping your Uconnect software updated will also provide access to the latest features and ensure optimal system performance for years of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.